Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today we are going to talk about adjectives in our Learning to Write program. I'm going to click on the topic in our table of contents. That brings me to a list of adjectives for you to use as the teacher as you build your anchor charts or go over examples with your students. Notice that we have 2 pages of adjectives. So we can use adjectives in different ways in a sentence, but for this lesson, we are focusing on adjectives that describe the subject of a sentence. It says we can use adjectives to describe a noun that is the subject of a sentence. Adjectives can describe how a noun looks, feels, smells, tastes, sounds, or acts. Numbers can also be adjectives. So here on the student page, we have given them nouns, and they need to come up with adjectives that describe those nouns. Here is an example answer key. These are not the only correct answers, but they are a place to start with students. Now that students know the purpose of adjectives, it is time to write some sentences. The article is back because when we have an adjective before a noun, we need the article. For example, the small parrot flew. Small parrot flew would not be a complete sentence, so we need the article back. And this is the kind of explicit instruction you want to give your students when they are learning to write sentences. That's why we explain each part a little bit at a time and make sure to explicitly tell students exactly what they need to do and give them time to practice it. That's it for adjectives describing a noun.